Now the next problem, integral e power sin x into x cos cube x minus sin x by cos square x. Now this can be written as integral e power sin x into x cos x minus secant x into tan x dx. Sin x by cos square x, that will be sin by cos x into 1 by cos x. Sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. Now let us separate these two integrals. So integral e power sin x into x cos x dx minus integral e power sin x into secant x into tan x dx. Now let us apply integration by parts to both the integrals. Now here first function is x and here the first function is secant x into, here the first function is e power sin x. So here it will be x into integral e power sin x into cos x, that is e power f of x into f dash of x. The result will be e power sin x minus integral derivative of x is 1 into e power sin x dx minus, now here e power sin x into integral secant x into tan x is secant x minus integral derivative of e power sin x is e power sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x into integral secant x into tan x is secant x dx. Now secant x into cos x will be 1. So we will be having x into e power sin x minus e power sin x into secant x. These two terms will be, one will be minus and another will be plus. So finally e power sin x into x minus secant x plus, that is the result. Next problem, integral x cos x plus 1 by root over 2x cube e power sin x plus x square. Integral x cos x plus 1 by, now let us take x square as common, you will get x into root of 2x e power sin x plus 1 dx. Now if you consider this term as a function in t, its derivative will be, so 2x e power sin x plus 1 is equal to t square. If 2x e power sin x plus 1 equal to t square, derivative will be 2 into e power sin x plus x into e power sin x into cos x dx is equal to 2t dt. I applied UV formula here. Now you are having x cos x plus 1. So let us multiply both numerator and denominator with e power sin x by x e power sin x into root of 2x e power sin x plus 1 dx. So now you can see, if you take this term as t square, entire numerator will be dt, 2t dt, entire numerator will be t dt. So you can write integral t dt by, now what is x e power sin x? X e power sin x can be written as t square minus 1 by 2 into root t square. Root t square and t will be cancelled. So you will get 2 integral dt by t square minus 1. Now this is of the form 1 by x square minus a square. So result will be 2 into 1 by 2 log mod t minus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. So log mod, what is t here? T is root over 2x e power sin x plus 1. So root over 2x e power sin x plus 1 minus 1 by root over 2x e power sin x plus 1 plus 1 plus c. That is the result. Another important problem, integral dx by sin x plus secant x. Now here secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. So it can be integral cos x dx by 1 plus sin x into cos x. Now for our convenience, it is 2 cos x by 2 plus 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. See this? Now here integral 2 cos x by 2 plus sin 2x. Sin 2x can be considered in two ways, that is cos x plus sin x whole square and cos x minus sin x whole square. In both the terms you will get sin 2x. So let us write 2 cos x like this, cos x minus sin x plus cos x plus sin x by 2 plus sin 2x dx. Now let us separate these two terms, cos x minus sin x by 2 plus sin 2x dx plus cos x plus sin x by 2 plus sin 2x dx. Now in this first term, cos x minus sin x by, now sin 2x can be written as sin x plus cos x whole square. If you write sin x plus cos x whole square, you will get sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. That will be 1 plus sin 2x. So I am writing this term as 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Now if you observe this, derivative of sin x plus cos x is cos x minus sin x. So if you consider this term as t, the numerator will be dt. So it will be of the form 1 by 1 plus t square. So you will get the result. And another one, integral cos x plus sin x by, now if you write in same way you cannot get the result. So this can be written as 3 minus sin x, 3 minus sin x minus cos x whole square dx. Now observe this. It will be sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. 1 minus sin 2x. So 3 minus 1, it will be 2. Minus into minus, it will be plus sin 2x. You will get the same result. And observe that derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of minus cos x will be sin x. Now this can be written as root 3 whole square. Now here it will be 1 by 1 plus t square. The result is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So So tan inverse sin x plus cos x by 1 plus, now this is, if you consider this term as t, numerator will be dt. So the integral will be of the form integral 1 by a square minus x square. The result is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So you will get 1 by 2 root 3 log mod root 3 plus sin x sin x minus cos x by root 3 minus sin x minus cos x plus c. That is the result. Very important problem. Now the next problem is integral cos cube x plus cos power 5x by sin square x plus sin power 4x dx. You can expect these type of questions in JEE exams. So this can be written as integral cos cube x into 1 plus cos square x by sin square x into 1 plus sin square x dx. Now cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x, and cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. So it is 1 minus sin square x into another, if you write same 1 minus sin square x, you will get 2 minus sin square x into, now it is 1 minus sin square x cos square x, 2 minus sin square x 1 plus cos square x. We have another cos x by sin square x into 1 plus sin square x dx. Now if you take sin x as t, here cos x dx will be dt. So if you take sin x as t, cos x dx will be dt. So that integral 1 minus t square into 2 minus t square by t square into 1 plus t square dt. Now let us multiply the two terms. You will get 2 minus t square minus 2t square, it will be minus 3t square plus t power 4 by t square into 1 plus t square dt. Now here f of x by g of x is a fraction whose degree of numerator f of x is equal to degree of g of x. Then you have to write the fraction as k plus r of x by g of x. So here k is 1, since t power 4, degree of t power 4 in numerator is 1, degree of t power 4 in denominator is also 1. So now let us divide this t power 4 minus 3t square plus 2 with t power 4 plus t square by writing 1 here. You will get t power 4 plus t square. So minus minus, it will be minus 4t square plus 2. So this term is q of x and this term is r of x. So you will get integral 1 plus 2 minus 4t square by t power 4, that is t square into 1 plus t square dt. Now see this can be written as integral 1 plus minus 6t square plus 2 into t square plus 1 by t square into 1 plus t square dt. Result will be the same, minus 6t square plus 2t square will be minus 4t square. Now let us separate these integrals. You will get integral dt plus integral. In first term t square will be cancelled, so minus 6 by 1 plus t square dt. In second term 1 plus t square will be cancelled, 2 integral 1 by t square dt. Now you have integral dt is t, where t is equal to sin x. So result will be sin x, and 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t. So you will get minus 6 tan inverse of sin x, and the integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t. So you will get minus 2 by sin x plus c. Next problem integral dx by 2 sin x plus secant x whole power 4 is equal to p into t power minus 5 plus q into t power minus 6 plus r into t power minus 7. We have to find the value of p plus q plus r. That is the given question. Now see this can be written as integral dx by 2 sin x plus 1 by cos x whole power 4. So it can be written as integral cos power 4x by sin 2x plus 1 whole power 4. You will get 2 sin x cos x, that will be sin 2x. Now you have sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 tan x by, you have sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. So integral cos power 4x by 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x plus 1 whole power 4 dx. Now, so 1 plus tan square x is again secant square x. Secant square x whole power 4, it will be secant to the power of 8x. So cos power 4x into secant to the power of 8x by 2 tan x plus 1 plus tan square x whole power 4 dx. So it will be secant power 4x by 1 plus tan x. These three terms can be written as 1 plus tan x whole square. Again whole power 4. So you will get whole power 8 dx. Now if you consider 1 plus tan x as a t, 1 plus tan x as a t, you will get secant square x dx as dt. So it will be, again you will be having another secant square x. Another secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x into secant square x by 1 plus tan x whole power 8 dx. Now 1 plus tan x is t. So tan x will be t minus 1. So integral 1 plus t minus 1 whole square by t power 8 dt. Now this is t minus 1 whole square is t square minus 2t plus 1. So it will be 2 minus 2t plus t square by t power 8 dt. So 2 by t power 8 minus 2 by t power 7 dt plus 1 by t power 8. 1 by t power 8 is t power minus 8. So t power minus 8 plus 1 by minus 8 plus 1. It will be t power minus 7 by minus 7. So 2 by, so minus 2 by 7 into t power 7 and plus 2 by 6 into t power 6 and again minus 1 by 5 into t power 5 plus 6. So the result will be minus 2 by 7 t power minus 7 plus 1 by 3 t power minus 6 minus 1 by 5 t power minus 5 plus c. Now compare this with p into t power minus 5 plus q into t power minus 6 plus r into t power minus 7. You will get p is equal to minus 1 by 5, q is equal to 1 by 3, r is equal to minus 2 by 7. Now I got to find p plus q plus r. So LCM will be 105. 5 3 is 15, 7 is 105. Numerator, here it will be minus 21. Here it will be plus 35. Here 7 1 is 7 5. So it will be minus 30. So minus 51 plus 35 minus 16 by 105. You can expect these type of questions in advanced level.